IELTS 18 Test 3 Passage 1, Materials to take us beyond concrete. Concrete is everywhere but bad for the planet. Scientists are looking for alternatives. This passage has 13 questions. The first 4 are matching information to paragraphs. Then 4 are summary completion. The last 5 are matching statements to people. We divide questions into 3 types: synonym replacement, logical comparison, and keyword location. The summary completion questions use keyword location. Understanding question types helps you find answers faster. Different types need different strategies. It is important to learn them. The article has 8 paragraphs, from A to H. It is a typical science article. It first talks about the problem, then solutions and challenges. From passage 1 to 3, it introduces the problem of concrete, its advantages, and why it is hard to replace. From passage 4 to 5, it introduces wood as an alternative, its pros and cons, and how to improve it. From passage 6 to 9, it discusses the real use of wood, other alternatives like fly ash, and the challenges they face. Heat map, matching info, 1 to 4, RNC, D, F, G summary, 5 to 8, RNE matching people, 9 to 13, RNB, F, G, H. Next is the note completion for Q5-8. One-word limit, mostly extracted directly from the text. Let's look at question 5. The statement says environmental issues are encouraging architects to use wood. Clue words are environmental issues and encouraging, matching climate change and driving in the text. Locate paragraph D. Scan near climate change and driving. The text says, climate change is driving architects to turn to treated timber. The answer word architects appears directly. So the answer to question 5 is architects. Let's look at question 6. The statement says wood expands when it absorbs moisture from the air. Please pause the video and find the matching information in the passage. The clue words are absorbs and expands. The blank needs a noun, which is the thing wood absorbs. Go to paragraph E. Scan for the words absorbs and expands. The original text says wood expands as it absorbs moisture from the air. The answer word moisture appears directly in the text. So the answer to question 6 is moisture. Let's look at question 7. An adhesive is used to stick layers of solid-sawn timber together. Clue words are adhesive and solid-sawn timber. The word before the blank is stick, so we need a noun. Locate paragraph E. Scan for adhesive and solid-sawn timber to find the matching sentence. The original text says an adhesive is used to stick layers of solid-sawn timber together. The answer word layers is directly given. So the answer to question 7 is layers. Let's look at question 8. For question 8, the blank is after at a grader, so we need a noun. The clue words are grader and constructed, which tell us this is about building speed. Go to paragraph E and scan for the phrase greater speed. The original text directly says at a greater speed, so the answer is speed. This word is given directly in the text. So the answer to question 8 is speed. Now let's summarize 3 common tricks in true-false not given questions. Trick 1, opposite meaning. The question says the opposite of the text. For example, if the question says A is good but the text says A is bad, that is opposite meaning. Trick 2, wrong object. The question changes the object from the text to something else. For example, the text says cats eat fish but the question says dogs eat fish. The object changed from cats to dogs. Trick 3, extra information. The question adds information not in the text. For example, the text says he went to the store but the question says he went to the store for the first time. First time is extra information. Remember, be careful with absolute words like first or only. When objects are different, check carefully. Now let's summarize the important vocabulary from this passage. Key terms from the completion questions: architects, moisture, layers, speed. That's all for this passage. I hope it helps you.